And the last and fifth component is social skills. And if we talk about social skills, you must be a good mediator too, with a non-judgmental attitude. For instance, two of your team members, John and Tom, do not talk with each other, and they have a kind of passive aggressive behaviors towards each other. They appear distant, isolated, and not seem working as a team. And instead of ignoring, you call both of them to your office and ask to openly discuss the issue before you. So you act as a mediator, and without taking sides, you get resolve the conflict peacefully. And that mediation skills brings back John and Tom to the team with full strength, passion, and spirit. And that's all for emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence isn't about being emotional. Yeah, isn't about being emotional. It's about being aware, kind, calm, and strong, especially in the challenging moments. And that's all for today. We have seen the basics of emotional intelligence with all its 5 components with real-time examples. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more leadership tips.